animal-free and dairy-free really be that good?
It is very good. I was surprised. Yeah.
Delicious, all of the above.
In a world where sweet treats are unnatural and heavily processed, Kelly's Bake Shop here in Burlington makes their sweets vegan, peanut-free, and gluten-free. All natural, all delicious. What is it like to work together as a mom and daughter duo?
For myself as a mom, I don't know if Erin will say the same thing, but working together is sort of like a dream come true. I think that we are very blessed.
Yes, exactly. And I think that we tend to balance each other out really well as well. And over the years, we've been working together now for the better part of 10 years. So we've kind of learned our strengths and weaknesses as well too, as business partners and as well as mom and daughter team. So it's a beautiful thing we have going for us.
There's been the odd time of having therapy and coaching and things like this. So let's just add that. We've actually had to, bring in the professional forces though, but those things that just helps us elevate us into the best people that we can be.
When did the concept for a bake shop actually start for you both?
It was 2010 when our restaurant Kind Food was born. It was us bring the idea of healthiness and plant-based vegan food into downtown Burlington because there was nothing down here then. So that happened, and then we saw how the baked goods were taking off at Kind Food and we went, wow, is this like a real thing? And we went, okay, so we need another location. So that's when 401 Brand Street came available and we went, should we do it? And it was like, it wasn't even a hesitation. This location was calling us, so that was it.
And that was in December of 2012. So we've been here for just over 7 years now, and kind of the rest is history.
So Kelly, opening a bake shop has been your absolute dream since you've been little. I heard that you were making mud pies as a child. What is it like to see your dream become a reality here?
And I'm so grateful for it because I think that what happened to me as a child, there was just so much passion instilled with what I was creating then. Amazing, significant people that were in my life that encouraged me to be all that I could be.
And you guys have also appeared on The Social, Breakfast Television, CTV, and you've had even Justin Trudeau come into your shop. Is that right?
Which was pretty crazy. He came in back in May of 2019, and we literally had 24 hours notice that his team emailed us and was like, just so you know, the Prime Minister is going to be coming to your business. And we were like, holy, oh my gosh, this is amazing. So yeah, we've had some pretty epic things happen here at the bake shop.
What is so different and so special about Kelly's Bake Shop?
So everything that we do is completely gluten-free, vegan, peanut-free, very allergy-friendly, but our ingredients are very whole. So we, include garbanzo bean and fava bean flour in all of our products, so it's very high fiber, high protein flours.
We won't make any concessions, we won't make any changes, we won't make any sacrifices in our business. So when we do say we have fair trade products, there's a reason for it, and we're very committed to making a difference on the planet.
And it's so good to indulge while also feeling like, hey, I actually ate something that's not going to ruin my body.
Right.
What is your favorite part about working at Kelly's Bake Shop?
It's being part of the beautiful team and having Kelly and Erin support that and seeing the growth within the company itself. Typically have a line down the block, like out the door. Getting to see a kiddo come in and have a donut for the first time, it's pretty cool.
And enjoy it because it's like maybe they've never had one.
They can have it. They're allergic to peanuts, they're allergic to gluten, they're allergic to dairy, eggs. They can have it. And they're just so happy.
Yeah, and they can celebrate their birthday with a cupcake.
Yes. Yeah. Free cupcake on your birthday too.
Oh, awesome. I'll make sure to come back on my birthday.
Right?
Yeah. And what cupcake did you get today?
The rookie cupcake. This one. It looks amazing.
It does. And I heard you guys drove 40 minutes here today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a long time to come and get cupcakes.
Yeah. But they're awesome.
They're awesome.
We just love the community of Burlington so much, and it's been so good to us, and we've been so well received over the past 7 years that for us, it's just a beautiful way for us to give back to this community.
And there's people who are driving literally from Southern Ontario and beyond to come and eat here because they always say gluten-free, vegan tastes so bad, but you guys have managed to change that, so.
Yes, we've had people drive for about a 6-hour trip here and then another 6-hour trip home. I think
Longer, it was Boston.
Oh, Boston, fair. So that was like almost about 10-hour trip. People would come in for a dozen cupcakes, sleep overnight here at like the local hotel, and then turn around and drive home the next day.
And then we get Ottawa all the time.
Yes.
Ottawa, London, Montreal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, yeah. So like it's kind of like normal. Toronto customers are like, okay, so this is just normal now.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's close to my home. That's the best, the only place that I can go that has gluten-free and dairy-free cupcakes. The cupcakes are delicious.
Kelly's open. I've been a nonstop customer. I'm constantly here to indulge in all these amazing desserts because they're allergen free.
And what is your favorite baked good here?
The Nanaimo bar is amazing. The mint Nanaimo bar, which I hope she brings back, and I love the coffee break cupcake. But I'm going to try the new one today.
And with the success of your business, you've also created a book called Made with Love. You don't just delve into the world of baked goods, you also talk about healthy living and healthy meals.
In 18 days when we launched it back in 2016, it hit bestseller, national bestseller list. So
Wow.
for Toronto Star and Globe and Mail. So we were really honored with that.
So our biggest kind of project right now is our second location in Prince Edward County that we're hoping to open in the spring, summer of 2020. And it's just going to be a beautiful destination. We love it out there in the county, and it's just going to complement our Burlington location so well and just be this amazing destination for people to come to.
So what is the key ingredient to making Kelly so successful?
Everything we do here in our business is so embodied with love. It's a very love-centered, heart-focused business, and that is, I believe, and I know it's the secret to our success, is just truly, authentically love.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for interviewing with me today, and I look forward to your next location. So,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us.
yeah. Thank you.